Okay, this is just an update. I just wanted to go through again just to make sure I got it. This is the room I'm staying in. Although the details aren't there, the idea is. But try standing in that, that's dangerous as fuck. If you fall over, you're gonna crack your head and fucking kill yourself. If you don't crack your head, you're gonna fall out of the fucking bath. So, not cool. But yeah, these towels are there every day, they're renewed. Bum gun. Toilet paper is really hard to fucking get at when you're sitting on the toilet. It's right behind you. Turn on the thing there. So, air conditioner, hair dryer, products that are updated every day. Why is this thing not fucking... There we go. So we've got toothbrush, soap, shampoo, shower cap, razor, comb, and a tambong. Gotta have a tambong. If you don't have a tambong, what good are you? Anyway. So it's the air conditioning unit, just a normal air conditioner, which is off right now because it's fucking cold. It's the what do you call it? Telephone. These are the plugs, so that's for the lights, and there's over by the door, there's all those switches. The top plugs here don't work, it's just the bottom ones, so that's fucking weird. But anyway, and you got the same over there as well. TV here, which you can spin around watch from the bed, but I can't because to this fucking minute I've still not figured out how the fuck it runs, which is pretty shit. But anyway, and then our view out the window, the big fucking... I'll turn all the lights off. Let's turn all the lights off. There. Shouldn't be any shadow anymore now. There we go, the big advertising board. And how the fuck did that? Anyway. And the bridge. I was going to go for a walk down there last night, but you know how that goes. And then there's the building over there that puts out Year of the Rat 2020 and some other rubbish. Although it's not doing it right now, it's doing other shit.